But the thing with probability is that it's all over the place. Companies tout their statistics, you read them in the news. Having a good handle of probability is just a very useful thing in general life. So going through this section is definitely one of the better ones. Statistics, you could argue, are even more important, but statistics are also even harder. And the GRE is very limited statistics. So let's start with probability. So the probability, let's write it as P. And let's say there's an event, let's call an event A. All right, so A is it rains. All right, so A means it rains. So P of A, probability that it rains, equals something. And this something is always going to be between 0 and 1. Or, alternatively, you could just write 0 to 100%, right? 100% is the same as 1. 0 to 100%. So probability that it rains, okay, so let's say you're like indoors or in a cave, it might be 0. Let's say that you are literally in a hurricane, it's 1. So 1 means that it absolutely will happen. There's no chance that it will not happen. 0 means that it will not happen, never. There's no chance that this will happen. So probability will always land between 0 and 1. So let's say that A is it rains, and let's just say, for the sake of argument, that you look at the weather, and the weather person says there's a 30% chance of rain today. Yeah, so maybe bring an umbrella, maybe not. Live a little dangerously. Okay, so 30% chance of rain. So the probability of not A is just 1 minus A. So let's say the probability that it rains is 30%. The probability, let me use my pencil. So the probability of not A is just whatever is left, right? So if there's a 30% chance that it rains, then whatever is left is a chance that it doesn't rain. So that is 70%. So when you have two events that take up the whole space, so let's look at it as like a pie chart, right? So here's our pie chart. Pie chart is 100%. 100%. Now let's say there is a 30% chance of rain, and there is a 70% chance of not rain. So the combination of one thing and not that thing will always add up to 100, right? So it's either going to rain or it's not going to rain. There's no other option. So P of A plus not P of A equals 1, or 100%.